In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor Editor not loading, 2026 fix. If your Elementor editor is stuck on a spinning loader or opens to a blank screen, this walkthrough will get you back to building. We'll make a quick compatibility change inside Elementor, then update your plugins to remove common conflicts. Have your WordPress admin access ready, and if possible, make a recent backup so you can roll back changes if needed. Start by signing in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Elementor section. Choose Settings to access Elementor's configuration panel. At the top, switch to the Advanced tab. Here, find the option labeled Switch Editor Loader Method. This setting tells Elementor to use an alternative loading mechanism that can bypass issues caused by certain server configurations, security layers, or caching rules. Toggle it to enable, then scroll down and click Save Changes. Give it a moment so the new setting is fully stored. Next, we'll make sure outdated plugins aren't blocking the editor. Still in your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins area and open Installed Plugins. At the top of the plugin list, click the main checkbox to select all plugins. Then, open the Bulk Actions dropdown and choose Update. Click Apply to start the updates. You'll see progress as each plugin updates. Larger plugins might take a little longer, so let the process complete without navigating away. Keeping everything updated removes incompatibilities and ensures Elementor and its add-ons are using the latest code. When the updates finish, it's a good idea to do a quick page refresh of your dashboard to clear the admin view. Now try opening the Elementor editor again for a page or template. With the alternative loader enabled and your plugins up to date, the editor should initialize cleanly. If you don't see changes immediately, open the editor in a fresh tab or reload once more to ensure your browser isn't holding on to an old script. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep Elementor and any of its companion plugins updated regularly to prevent future loading hiccups. And remember, you can return to the Advanced tab at any time to toggle the loader method if your hosting environment changes. That's all there is to it. Enable the alternative loader, save your settings, update your plugins, and get back to designing without the endless spinner.